A huge relief coming in for multiplex operators as under the new guidelines of Unlock 5.0, the centre has allowed multiplexes to reopen with a 50% capacity in non-containment zones from the 15th of October. Now, the Ministry of INB or Information and Broadcasting will release the guidelines and SOPs for this soon. But we spoke with Kamal Gyanchandani. He's the director of the Multiplex Association of India and the CEO at PVR Pictures, and they welcome this move wholeheartedly, saying that he's very confident that we will see patrons having the confidence to return to cinemas with all the safety protocols being put into place. Now, do remember, they are currently in conversation with the state governments who have been fairly positive, according to him, about the reopening of cinemas. As of now, in Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, cinemas will not open till the 31st of October. But by November, Mr. Gyanchandani says he expects that all cinemas across the country will be open. As of now, it's a 50% capacity, and that's rather viable for multiplex operators. But Mr. Gyanchandani also went on to say that the government has said in their latest conversations that they will be looking to revisit these caps as well based on how the situation pans out over the next 6 to 8 weeks with the coronavirus cases and how things shape up. What are the safety protocols that you need to observe? Well, number one, all transactions will be done digitally, whether it is for F&B or even for your tickets. Sitting in the cinema halls through the duration of the movie, you will have to wear a mask the entire time. There will be a gap in between each person, so a seat empty essentially. And the show timings will be spaced out so that there's enough time to sanitize as well as clean up the cinema hall once the patrons have left. Not just that, there will also be disposable packaging completely for all F&B, and strict social distancing will have to be followed. There will be a plastic sheet that will be kept in between the person selling the F&B or the food and beverage items and the person purchasing it, with mostly all digital transactions being followed. Now, in terms of what is going to be lined up for releases, he says that a lot of the big releases will be slated for the month of November or during Diwali. There's a big one in form of Suryavanshi. He said Yash Raj Films as well has been very cooperative and has held back their releases, waiting for the cinema halls to reopen. There's the film 83 on Kapil Dev, the James Bond film. He also spoke about how there are a lot of Tamil films as well that are lined up. So all of those will mostly be announced by November. So as of now, 50% capacity, there will be a distance between seats, but they are confident that by the month of November, as things progress, as things open up much more, we could see cinemas across India completely opening up.